The 2016 Chevy Spark uses a flip key with both a physical blade and remote functions for lock, unlock, and trunk access. The key consists of two parts: the foldable remote with buttons and the mechanical blade. The remote operates at 314.4 MHz frequency. Programming this key yourself is possible and cost-effective. You'll be synchronizing the key's transponder and remote signals with your car's immobilizer and body control module. This allows the car to recognize the key, start the engine, and respond to remote commands. Newer OBD2 scanners like Foxwell NT510 or Autel MaxiLink ML619 and some smartphone apps can assist with this process, but the core procedure remains ignition-based. Keep in mind that aftermarket keys need to be sourced carefully to guarantee compatibility. Genuine GM flip keys range from $100 to $200, while aftermarket options cost $20 to $50. The standard DIY programming method involves cycling the ignition and pressing buttons on the key fob. Start by inserting the key into the ignition and turning it to the on position, but don't start the engine. Next, press and hold the lock button on the key fob, then turn the ignition off. Repeat these steps for each key you want to program. Forums report a 90% success rate using this method. For additional reliability, you can use an OBD2 scanner. If your flip key's battery has been replaced, it often necessitates reprogramming. Remember that programming is legal for owners, but may require the VIN and proof of ownership in some cases. Always make sure the key is compatible with your vehicle's ignition type.